The K&H Kitty Tower is the spot to go when kitties want to be catatonic or perhaps playful. This inviting and fun tower has 3 levels with interior access throughout for feline antics and a getaway snooze. There are 4 total entrances on the house that are 7 inches wide to give even chunky kitties access. There are 6 peepholes along the bottom and a mesh center that allows for constant surveillance or even the occasional paw grab as you walk by. The kitty tower is lightweight and sturdy with 4 fiberglass poles that secure along the sides, and each level is tiered slightly smaller as it goes up for super stability, and it's going to ensure that it isn't going anywhere when someone jumps in. And it's easy to move throughout the home and take down for easy storage, not like heavy wood cat trees. The super soft ultra fleece surface is on every single level, and the gorgeous exterior Oxford fabric has a vinyl backing and will be durable for a very long time.